Good morning, children. Today we are moving on to chapter 3 in social studies, that is keeping our body fit. In the last chapter, we learned about our body and we learned about the external and internal organs. Today we are going to learn how to keep our body fit. So how can we keep our body fit? As we take care of our toys, we have to take care of our body also. Our body does many things for us. So it's very important to keep it healthy and fit. Now let's learn the ways to keep it fit. We have to eat healthy food. Healthy food gives us energy and makes us grow. And what all are the healthy foods? We have to include fruits and vegetables in our diet. Fruits and vegetables contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that makes our body grow. We also have to eat healthy breakfast and also eat healthy grains like rice, wheat, oats, etc. It is also important that we drink lots of water. Water helps the food to digest. It's important that we drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. So what all are the things that we have to make our body fit? We have to eat healthy food. We have to include fruits, vegetables. We also should not skip our breakfast and include grains like rice, wheat, oats, etc. Drink lots of water. Food like pizza, burger are very tasty. But do you think that it is healthy? These foods are called junk foods. Junk foods contain a lot of oil, salt and preservatives which are not healthy for our body. So we have to avoid eating junk food. And also soft drinks, they are very high in sugar. That is not good for our health. We have to limit time on watching TV and electronic gadgets. These days we have classes online and we spend most of our time on mobiles or laptops. But we have to limit our time on spending time with these electronic gadgets. Playing outside makes our body strong and minds alert. When we run, play, do exercise or yoga, we are exercising our body. That makes our body healthy. We also need a proper sleep. Our body needs enough rest. So it's important to sleep early and our body should get at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep. So these are the ways to keep our body fit. We have to eat healthy food, drink lots of water, get proper sleep. It's important to keep our body clean. So how can we keep our body clean? Why do we keep our body clean? By cleaning our body, we get rid of germs, which makes us fall sick. So let's see the ways of how to stay clean. We need to brush our teeth twice a day. What do you mean by twice? That means 2 times a day. So in the morning and at night, you have to brush your teeth. Also take bath twice a day. Shampoo your hair once in a week. Trim your nails. You need to cut your nails regularly. And wear clean clothes. Wash your hands before and after meals. Rinse our mouth every time after we eat. We have to rinse our mouth every time we have our meals. So these are the different measures how to stay clean. How should we wash our hands? Wet our hands, take some liquid soap, rub your palm and also rub backside of the palm, tip of the fingers, your thumb and the wrist. After that, rinse and dry your hands. So these are the different ways of keeping our body fit and clean. So read the text 2 times and we'll move on to the exercises. So let's start doing the exercises. You can open your text and take page number 12. In that you can see pictures. This is how Rudra looks after his body. In the first picture you can see he eats healthy food every day. In the second picture, he goes out to play every day. Third, he takes a bath every day. And fourth, he goes to sleep on time. So how does Rudra looks after his body? He eats healthy food, He goes out to play, he takes a bath and also goes to sleep on time. Let's get started. Write one way in which you take care of your body. How you take care of your body, you can write any one way there in the space provided. Next, we'll move on to page number 14. Checkpoint. Rahul suffers from stomachache very often. The doctor has asked him to eat healthy food and stop eating oily or fast food. So draw a smiley against the foods that he should avoid eating very often. We have aloo tikki, fruit salad and pakora. So what should Rahul stop eating? Aloo tikki and pakora, as they have more oil. So you can draw a smiley in the space provided near aloo tikki and pakora. Moving on to page 16. Exercises. Match the things we need to take care of our body with the images of children taking care of their body. In row A, you have a toothpaste and toothbrush, soap, third shampoo and fourth nail cutter. So we have to match these pictures to row B. You can do it alone. Now put a tick mark for the food you should have and a cross mark against food you should not have every day. You have milk, cold drinks, fruits and chips. So what all can we have daily? Milk we have daily. And the second one, cold drinks. We should not use it often. Third picture, fruits. We can use fruits daily. And the fourth picture, chips. We should avoid eating chips often. Moving on to page number 17. Use the help box to label the pictures that show how we should keep our feet clean. In the box we have cut toe nails regularly, wash feet with soap and water every day, wear clean socks every day, do not walk around barefoot. Pictures are provided and you can write it accordingly. In the first picture, you can write do not walk barefoot. Second picture, you can see a child washing his feet. So what can we write? Wash feet with soap and water every day. Third picture, cut toe nails regularly. And fourth picture, wear clean socks every day. Now think it over. Have you heard your elders say that an apple a day keeps the doctor away? What does it mean? Which food should we eat every day? An apple a day keeps the doctor away is an English proverb. So what does it mean? If we eat healthy foods such as apples and other fruits, it makes us healthy and we fall sick less often, so that we will not go to the doctor often. Next we have an activity corner. Make a scrapbook. Make a scrapbook on the ways I take care of myself. On the first page, write the names of fruits and vegetables which you eat to keep healthy. Also, draw and color the same. On the second page, write about what kind of sports you play every day. Also, draw yourself playing your favorite sport. On the third page, write all the things you do to keep your body clean. You can do this activity in your notebook. First page, you can write the names of fruits and vegetables that you eat. Second picture, you can write what all sports you play. And on the third page, write what all things you do to keep your body clean. Now you can take your notebook for writing the question answers. Write today's date, write chapter heading, and the first question, how can we stay fit? Eat healthy food, drink a lot of water, play outside, get proper sleep. You can write down this in your notebook. Second question, write some measures to stay clean. First, brush your teeth. Second, take a bath. Third, wash hands. And fourth, cut your nails. So with this, we finish this chapter. Hope you understood it. Read the chapter and complete your notes. So thank you.